Everyone's trading crypto wanting to get rich, but no one tells you how it actually is. Here's a short clip that sums up what the majority experience.
Hey, badass, give me your wallet.
I could give you my wallet, but what I think you really want is love.
It's true.
I'm taking your shoes.
So here's how to trade crypto as a beginner so you don't end up beaten and depressed. So what is crypto trading? Crypto trading just means that you are buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Keyword here is selling. You're not holding it long term, no diamond hands, no hodling. So here's what you have to do as a beginner in crypto trading. Number one is you have to pick a platform. Start with a beginner-friendly exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. I personally use Binance since it's run by the Chinese. You set up your account, verify your identity, and deposit real-world money so you can get started on trading magic internet money. Now here's the important part. Only put in what you can afford to lose. Seriously, the moment you fund your trading account, consider that money gone, out the window, burned in a fire. Trust me, this mindset will keep you from getting emotionally attached to your trading balance. Step 2 is you need to have a trading plan, aka you learn to read the chart. Learning technical analysis is important so you can have a way to take profits or prevent massive losses. Doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to learn a million different things. So if you want to learn, there's a million different ways to read the chart. But here's how I do it. I stick to just two indicators, ClostriX and ClostriX bias. Why? Mainly because it's convenient as it does all the data crunching for me. But this is what I do. I go to the 1-hour chart. This is Solana on 1 hour. I wait for price to form an uptrend, which this one is already doing. I look at this ClostriX bias for some confluence. Just make sure that the bars are above this white line here. Next is I wait for price to retrace into this blue zone or the interest zone here. In this case, I enter into a long position because it's in our blue zone. I place my stop loss just below the previous support level. There's one there, so stop loss below that so I don't get taken out suddenly. I set my take profits to 1.2R. Now I do this so that I make a little bit more every time I win compared to when I lose. So if I stand to lose $100, I make sure I win $120. The link video below gives more example of this strategy in action. But anyway, you can see that it doesn't have to be super complicated. In fact, you could just use buy and sell alerts if you want to help you get started, which ClostriX also has. But all the analysis does is that it helps me gauge the risk. It gives me clear exit plans to limit my losses so I don't lose my life savings, and help me identify where to take profit. You can see that there is a resistance here, previous high, so obviously I don't want to take profits way over there. I want it to be a little bit more modest, somewhere around here. But that's all what technical analysis does. It helps me plan a trade. Step 3 is you need to acquire a trader's mentality. You have to make sure that your trading does not devolve to gambling. And this is where you will put the majority of the work as a beginner. It's transforming the way you think. If this helped, hit like, follow, and share it with someone who needs to stop buying coins off TikTok hype. Or go check out the links in the description. Till next time.